Generally, contracts based on illicit consideration, such as sexual relations, are unenforceable. But what if a non-married couple who's living together enters into an agreement similar to a prenuptial agreement for support in the event of separation? Is this contract enforceable? The Florida District Court of Appeal considered this question in Posik v. Layton. Emma Posik and Nancy Layton were a lesbian couple living in Florida. Posik was a nurse and Layton was a doctor. Both women worked at the same hospital in Volusia County. While together, Layton received a job offer that required her to move to Brevard County. Layton then asked Posik, who was 55 years old, to quit her job, sell her house, and move with her. Worried Layton would become interested in a younger woman, Posik asked Layton to sign a nonmarital support agreement as consideration for her moving in, which Layton agreed to do. Under the agreement, Posik was to live with Layton for the rest of Posik's life. Layton agreed to support Posik, leave her estate to her, and maintain bank accounts and other investments in her name. Further, Posik could leave if Layton brought a third person into the home for more than 4 weeks without Posik's consent. But if Layton breached the agreement, she agreed to pay Posik $2,500 per month in liquidated damages for the rest of Posik's life. Posik also agreed to loan Layton $20,000, and the two signed a promissory note. 4 years later, Layton told Posik that she wanted another woman to move into the home. When Posik disapproved the arrangement, Layton moved out and started living with the woman. Subsequently, Layton served an eviction notice on Posik. After moving out, Posik sued Layton in State Circuit Court to enforce the agreement and collect on the note. Layton counterclaimed for a declaratory judgment as to the enforceability of the liquidated damages clause. The court awarded Posik judgment on the note, but found in favor of Layton on all other claims. Specifically, it found that the liquidated damages clause amounted to a penalty and was unenforceable, that Posik waived Layton's breach, and that Posik breached the agreement by not performing household duties and forcing Layton to move out. The court also concluded that although Posik was entitled to damages in quantum meruit, her damages were offset by the benefit she received from living in the home. Posik appealed to the Florida District Court of Appeal.